Alright, give me the other arm. Hold it as much as you can. Alright, bring it down across the front. Raise it up, bend it so I can get the peak. I need a peak. Contract it all the way. Kyle, bring it up more. Bend the arm more. Bend it. I don't want it down here. Bring it all the way up. Alright, do the other one. Put some pressure on it with the opposite arm. Pump it a little bit. Pump it.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Please hold on.
Alright, now give me some chest. Quick shot, let's go. It's pumped. Stop it, yeah, just do it. Did you get those? Crab, side chest pose, double bicep. You're done. Squeeze it a little bit more. Back up. You're in the light, in the shadow. All right, there you go. Now do it again. Cross it. Push your pecs. Okay. Side chest. Hold it, hold it. Push your right pec more. Your right pec. That other one. Not the one furthest away from me. Okay, and double bicep to finish off. Pull your lats out. All right, let's see it from the back. Stay in the light. Stay in the light, Kyle. Step forward. Step forward. Step. No, that's backwards. Step forward. There you go. Now hit it. Squeeze your back close. Elbows towards me. Alright, now up to the double by. Head up. And give me those peaks. Head up, head up. Alright. Cool.